There is a company called Blu based in Miami. It has revived their Bold brand, which is a spin-off dedicated to premium flagship and flagship-like smartphones. They launched the Blu Bold N2. It is for $250. It's a 5G phone. But the first Bold was even more bolder phone, so this is a very disappointing phone. But anyway, this is the specs of the phone. It has a 6.6-inch Full HD plus AMOLED screen, which is curved. It has, as usual, like I said, it has 5G. It has a Dimensity 810 processor with 8GB RAM and 256GB of internal storage. There is no microSD card support. It has quad sensors on the back, 64 main, 5 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel macro and 2 megapixel depth, which is rubbish cameras. It has an instant fingerprint scanner with 4250 mAh battery with 30 watts charging. It has a textured leather back and metal casing, but the phone only comes with Android 11. What is Blu thinking? No idea. And they told they give you 2 years of software update. That means you will be getting Android 13, which has already been launched in beta. Kind of weird. This phone is only $250. Maybe it's good for that price. And you get a 30% discount now with Amazon. Look at this phone, decent option, but maybe you can pay $200 more and get a Google Pixel 6a with far better software support. Anyway, like, share and subscribe for more such videos.